Friday, July 30th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Quick video today, very quick. Just painting the kitchen, turning the beige into cement gray. Won't be touching the white paint here, but all the beige you see will be changed to cement gray. Really like the color. Oh yeah, all over here. Hopefully it'll brighten up the space, lighten it up, make it look a whole lot better. But oh yeah, cement gray today. I want you to see this. You see, this is what I'm talking about when I say these are the telltale signs of people cutting corners. Now, I have no problem with them not painting behind the refrigerator, but on the side, we can see this. We can see the white paint stop and the beige that wasn't painted. That lets you know sometimes people, again, cut corners. All right, finished taping. As you know, I hate doing it, but I hate seeing different color paint on ceilings, moldings, and baseboards even more. By the way, you can subscribe if you like. We don't judge here. Let's fast forward to the end. Wow, nice. Okay, I like it. Accent wall. Management has added some pieces already. Good, real good. Looks very good, actually. Now over here, by the cabinets, I don't know if it has the same effect. Might have to take a second look at that. But overall, wonderful. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the time. You can subscribe. Take care. Bye.